In Java, we enclose string literals in double quotes. So you might be wondering, how can you put double quotes inside a string if you have to use double quotes to indicate the start and end of the string literal? To do this, we use an escape sequence. An escape sequence is a backslash followed by a character, and those two characters together, the backslash and the character, have a special meaning. So for this escape sequence, we use a backslash and a double quote. So string S gets, and then we have a double quote here indicating the beginning of a string literal. And then the very first character in that string literal is an escape sequence. So backslash, double quote. That means this double quote isn't actually the end of our string literal. It's connected with this backslash, and it means this double quote is part of our string. I want there to be a double quote in my string. Then we have the regular string, and then we get another backslash double quote. So again, escape sequence, meaning I want this double quote to be part of the string. Some more characters, and finally a double quote without a backslash in front of it, meaning this is the end of the string literal. So when we print out that string, it actually prints out these double quotes because we put a backslash in front of it. Another escape sequence is a new line. So if you want there to be multiple lines, like as if you pressed enter or return in your string, you can indicate that using the new line escape sequence, so backslash n. So in this case, our string literal begins with double quote. We have some text. Here is our escape sequence, backslash n. And then notice I don't even have to put a space here. I just start writing what I want on the second line, and when I print it, that slash n gets taken out and it just moves the next part down to the new line. The last escape sequence we're going to learn about is the backslash escape sequence. So we're using backslash to indicate escape sequences, but sometimes we want a backslash in our text. So in that case, we use two backslashes. So the first one means I'm starting an escape sequence. The second one means the escape sequence is for a backslash. So that's our string literal. When we print it out, we end up seeing one backslash created by the escape sequence of two backslashes.